In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use the Dehancer plugin for DaVinci Resolve. Dehancer is a plugin that extends the functions of your color grading. It has plugins for DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and a lot more. And this video is sponsored by Dehancer. Before you purchase one of their plugins, you can use the promo code TIM20 for a discount of 10%. The promo code works for all Dehancer products except their newest iOS app. But most of us color grade on a laptop or a desktop, so that shouldn't be a problem. So let's go to the website of Dehancer, so dehancer.com, and here under video you can find DaVinci Resolve. So you can see that Dehancer offers different packages. Here are they all, and in this tutorial, I use the Dehancer Pro OFX video plugin. So this is the whole package. Here's the price. You can use the promo code TIM20. And here's like a lighter package in case you find this one too expensive. But then you get a little less functions. So this is the whole package. And you can even buy separate plugins for effects only. So yeah, on this website you can buy Dehancer. So now I will start explaining how to use the Dehancer plugin for DaVinci Resolve. So let's go to DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so I have here 3 completely different clips. One of a stork, one of a car, and one of a Fanta can. So I'm going to color grade them all together with you with the Dehancer plugin. So go to the color grading, and once you have downloaded and installed the Dehancer plugin for DaVinci Resolve, you can go to the bottom and here you can find Dehancer Pro. So let's add a new node, a serial node, and name it Dehancer. Now we can drag Dehancer to this node. And it changes a little bit because it has some standard things enabled. So let's disable everything. That's the first thing that you need to do. Alright, now everything is disabled. You see that nothing affects the clip. So what we're going to do now is copy this Dehancer node already to the other clips. So that wins us some time. Name this Dehancer. So what I did was standing on this node and then Ctrl C. And then go here on this node, click on it and Ctrl V. So now we have the same Dehancer node. Do the same on the third one. It's still copied, so Ctrl V. Alright. So now everything is ready to color grade with Dehancer. And it is a lot of fun because with Dehancer you only need to adapt some sliders. And that goes super quick and you have a lot more functions than usual. So let's start with the stork. Alright, here we are at the top. So before you adapt the sliders, always enable it first. You see, just adapt all those sliders. And you can create a super different look. What I will do is, I will make it as realistic as possible. That's the first step. I just want to make it realistic. If you adapt everything slightly, then everything together will make a huge difference. So look how realistic, the tonal range. Another advantage is that you don't need to learn all those panels because you just can use these sliders. Right. Yeah. Let's enable this. It was a little bit too yellow, I think. Yes. All right. I would say that this is pretty realistic, except the stork is a little bit yellow. Yeah, the blue thing here. That can fix it a little bit. Alright, like this. Now we're going to give it a cool look. So, see, you can do cool things. For example, this, that's a little bit red. Research the greens. Yeah, this looks cool, I think. It's magenta. See, you have many options. Let's go to the black and white. I search those for the contrast. Yeah, the highlights are a little bit too heavy, maybe. Right, look at this difference. So, this is the original, this is with the grading. And the cool thing is, you can combine it with the DaVinci color grading, if you would like to. So, I've added another serial node. And on this one, you can just adapt some more things if you would like to, but it's not really needed, it's just optional. You've got the principle. So let's go to the car right now. Let's grade it here. So enable. Let's just make it realistic. Yeah, contrast is always nice. Color boost. Yeah, you get the principle of the Dehancer plugin. There are just some sliders. And that's what makes it really nice. Okay. Yeah. The red fits in this video, the red color a little bit. Yeah, it's cool to make it a little bit white. A little bit terroristic or something, but that's cool. Let's explain this one, the film grain. That attaches like some grain. You see, it has some film grain. Maybe that's nice to add here. Okay, then the halation. Gives it a little bit more light. That's nice as well. The bloom. Yeah, that's like a soft bloom. We don't need that in this case. Halation is better. Okay. Let's see. Before and after. Already a big difference. Alright. It didn't even adapt everything yet. Yeah. Right, now I'm searching for the color head sliders. Alright, so let's see what we can do. It's like a little bit, it's night, you know. This is maybe an old look. It fits together with the grain, so why not? Yeah, I'm starting to like it. Ooh, this is like some dark. Look at the difference. That's what you can do with the Dehancer plugin. It's cool that these things here still halate. They still halate, but maybe it's not very realistic. Let's see what it does if we turn it off. Yeah, it is realistic, because when we turn it off, it's still like that. Yeah, this is without color grading, so it's maybe a little bit exaggerated, but it's cool, so why not? Alright. So that is our second color grading. Maybe some more contrast. Yeah, you know, you can do it as long as you'd like to. The black point and the white point. That's too much. You know, it's good like this. Alright. So now, this is a product shot. A cool product shot. So let's see what we can do. Let's make it realistic, you know. So before, after. Here you can see when it gets overexposured. So now it's overexposured. If it's this little thing, it doesn't really matter. Okay, you see it's crazy how it starts to blink. Okay, I would say it doesn't look like we can get it better or something. So let's start from here. Maybe we can add some cool effects or something. So let's see. Film grain. It's a product shot. It needs to be realistic. No film grain. Halation. That's like the glow on the edges. We have that a little bit, but this doesn't give glow in reality. Bloom makes it a little bit softer. Maybe that's a good one. The color head sliders, we haven't modified that yet, or not much. You know, it needs to be realistic, so in this one, I wouldn't say it's a lot. Oh, this is a nice one. So the shadow stone. Yeah. This makes the blues a little bit different. Yeah, but it hasn't contrast anymore, so let's do it like that. So it's just a little bit more. Okay, the midtones. The highlights. Oh yeah, maybe that's nice. To do it a little bit. Yeah, these ones are often important. That's right, that looks fresh. Okay. So you can see what it can do. You can even still combine it with DaVinci. That's something nice. Okay. So that looks great. That's great together with... Wait, here's a little pink I see. Yeah. This looks great. Dehancer and DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, the functions like you versus you can't really do that with Dehancer. Dehancer is designed to help to make your color grading a lot quicker. So you just have a lot more functions if you download the Dehancer plugin. So if you would like to use it, don't forget to use the promo code TIM20 for a discount of 10%. I will see you in the next video. Ciao!